welcome to the safeMedicate video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to navigate your way through the administrative training module. This module has been designed around a series of 18 video tutorials that will show you how to perform the key tasks that are typical of what local administrators do to support the day-to-day management of safeMedicate and its users. Okay, so starting from the homepage of the admin portal, begin by hovering over the Modules tab on the top menu bar. We need to choose the first option, Administration Features, and click Start Module. You'll be presented with a brief introduction of this module and an overview of the 6 key sections it comprises. These being Introduction, Monitoring User Engagement, Managing Users, Assessment Scheduling, Reviewing Assessment Results, and Providing and Requesting Support. After reading through the introduction, you can choose to access and view the video tutorials based upon your own learning requirements. To begin, use your mouse to hover over the Introduction tab on the left-hand side to reveal all of the section within this module. For this example, let's select Monitoring Engagement. The first video in this section is Institution Engagement, and if you're familiar with our video tutorials, you'll know that each video starts automatically. If you hover your mouse over the title at the top right, you'll see that this particular section contains 3 video tutorials in total. Those being Institution Engagement, Group Engagement, and Individual Engagement. Once you've watched each video tutorial in this section, you can visit any other section within this module to ensure you're familiar with all of safeMedicate's administrative features and tools and are using them to your best advantage. When you are ready, you can visit the Exercises section of the introduction to test your understanding of the key tools and features that will help you manage safeMedicate within your organisation. The activities you will perform are typical of what local administrators do to support the day-to-day management of safeMedicate and its users. Note that the majority of activities utilise dummy data that has been automatically added to your organisation for training purposes and is only accessible within your administrative account. Each exercise contains a set of instructions you should follow to retrieve the data and a series of questions that you should answer by interrogating the data. After you have completed each exercise, you will be able to compare your answers with the correct ones. The exercises will launch in a new browser tab so that you can easily switch between the exercises in one tab and your administrative portal in another. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tutorial. If you have any further queries, then please get in touch with a member of the safeMedicate team.